Hey everybody, welcome to the Head Startup. On today's video, I want to show you a method of putting in the latest cryptocurrency prices into your Google stock portfolio tracker. The annoying thing about Google Sheets is their GoogleFinance formulas, they only work for stocks and currencies and stuff like that. They don't actually extend to cryptocurrencies. So myself personally, I like to have my stocks and my cryptos all on one sheet so I can analyze them all together in one place. So it's annoying when I want to see what the total value of my portfolio is at the moment. I have to go and manually get the prices of the cryptos that I hold and enter them into the spreadsheet. So I wanted to find a way around this and to make it as automatic as possible. So I've been doing a bit of research on this for the last week or two as I wanted to try and find a fix for this, and most of the options I found were either kind of paid plugins or paid apps. But I finally came across a free method to work around this, and now I'm going to show you this in this video. It basically involves pulling prices from the CoinMarketCap website into your Google Sheets. So hopefully CoinMarketCap don't go and change the parameters on their website, but if they ever do, I'll update the formulas and stuff that you need to use in the description section if this ever happens. Okay, so now let's get straight into it and see how it's actually done. Okay, so the first thing I need you to do is open up a blank Google Sheets. So what I've done here is I've just actually pasted in some of the important information that we're going to be using. So I just have in here a formula that we're going to use, and the website we will also be pulling the data from. So I'll have this formula pasted also down in the description and the comment section, so it'll be easy for you to just copy and paste it. So let's try and pull in the price for 3 different cryptocurrencies. Well, let's start off with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. So the first thing you need to do is go to the website you're pulling it from, and you need to find the specific page that has the price for Bitcoin, the price for Ethereum, and Cardano. So I'm going to go to the coinmarket.com website there now. So I'm on the website there now. So if I want to pull the price for Bitcoin, I actually just need to go to the specific Bitcoin page. So as you can see here, into the URL is coinmarket.com currencies/Bitcoin. So I'm just going to copy that URL, and I'm going to come back to my sheet here and paste that into column B here beside it. Okay, and as you can see, I've done it for the other 2 there now as well. So I've just gone coinmarketcap /Ethereum and /Cardano. So the price of this formula that we're going to use now is going to pull it in US dollars. So I'm just going to call this column price USD. And then I'm going to copy this formula that I have down here at the bottom. So don't forget to put the equal sign at the start. And also you will need to update the first part that's within the brackets. So as you can see here, it says B5, but I need to update that to B2, because that is going to pull from the site just directly left to where I have the formula. Okay, perfect. So that has pulled in the price for Bitcoin. And now I'm just going to copy it down for the other 2. So perfect, that's after working. So it's after pulling the prices that we need to build a spreadsheet here from the website. So we have our prices, but one important thing you need to know is that this formula does not update in real time like a GoogleFinance formula would. So this price will not change unless we do a little bit of further work. So you might also want to see the price in a different currency. So I have another formula, as you can see now, pasted at the bottom of the sheet here to use if you want to get your currency in, say, euro. So I'll add this in here to column D. So I've just copied up that formula there into our cells here. So it's important again to just update the very first part of that formula so it links to the correct amount that you're trying to convert. So now the most important thing is how to keep this information constantly updating in real time. So there's lots of different ways to do this, but I think the easiest way to do this is with a simple macro. Okay, so the next and very important thing we need to do is to update these formulas so they actually pull in a bit of real-time data from the website, because you don't want to be working on out-of-date prices. So the simplest way I think to do this is to use a macro. So there's a few different ways, but I think this is the easiest way for people to do it. So I'm just going to show you how this works. So a macro basically is you performing a few little actions here, and you record it, and afterwards then you'll be able to repeat that few actions every time with just a click of a button. So don't worry if you're kind of new to Excel. I'll show you how to build one here. It's actually quite easy. So the first thing we need to do here is to insert comments on our USD prices. You'll see my reasoning for this in a while, so just bear with me. So I'm just going to start inserting comments on these here now. So right click and then insert. Where's my comments? So comment is here. So I'm just going to do the same here for the 3 of them. Okay, so now I want to actually just copy my formula here. Copy my formula in the cell. And then I want to add that into the comment that I've actually added to this cell. So copy and paste your formula into the comment and hit comment here. So I'm going to repeat this for the 3 of them. So copy and into the comment on the Ethereum price. And then lastly for Cardano, I'm going to copy again and paste that into the comment. So now that I've pasted in my formulas into my different comments on the different prices, we're ready to actually run our macro. So I'm going to show you basically how it's done in a few simple steps, and everybody will be able to do it. So what you need to do is come up to here to tools and into macros and then record a macro. So once you actually click that button, the macro is going to record every action that you now make on this spreadsheet. So the first thing I actually want to do on my spreadsheet is actually delete out the prices that I put in earlier on. So they've been completely deleted out. As you can see, it's actually recorded that on my macro. And now what I want to do is come to my comment, which I pasted the formula into, and actually copy that and paste it back into the cell. And I'll do that for the 3 of them. So I have copied in my formulas again from my comments, and now that is all I wanted to do. And so when you're finished with that, you're going to hit save on this macro screen at the bottom here. So hit save there. And you can call it whatever you want. So I'm just going to call it refresh crypto prices. Whoop. Am I spelling wrong? And hit save. So you can actually create a little shortcut here as well. So I'm going to create it as Control Alt Shift +0 and hit save. So that macro is now actually saved here on this spreadsheet. So if I ever want to refresh my crypto prices here, all I have to do is either use that shortcut, or else I can come back up here to tools again, macros, and you'll now see refresh crypto prices in your macros here. So I can just simply click on this button, and what that is going to do is going to repeat the action which I did there a few minutes ago. It's going to delete out all the columns and repaste them in from my comments. And so that basically updates your prices. Sometimes there might be a little slight delay in for like 15 or 20 seconds by the time the price actually updates, but it works very well. So it does the job, and it's a bit of a workaround. I know it's a bit frustrating that it's not so easy to actually do it, and there's a lot of kind of paid apps out there that you can do to automatically pull in the prices, but why would you need to pay for it when you can do a simple kind of exercise like this to actually build it into your portfolio? So once you're done that, you can also build out this then as well and add in your quantity and your overall valuation, and add in your costs so you can properly keep track of your crypto portfolio. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys today. And if you did find this video useful, I would really appreciate it if you dropped a like on the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future.